Hello and welcome to Wahl, Australia. Today I'm going to show you what you get when you purchase the Heat and Ice Wahl massage gun. So let's open up the box and see what it is you just got yourself. So you're going to notice right away that you're going to get this nice big storage case, which will allow you to keep everything in one tidy spot. So let's open it up and unzip, and let's see what you got. So first and foremost, here's your massager gun with the extended arm on it. You're also going to make sure you have your charging cord so you can actually charge the massager and use it. And then the attachments. You have your wedge attachment, you have the cushion head attachment, the flat head attachment, the round ball. You're going to have the bullet attachment for deep tissue penetration, and then you're also going to have the fork attachment. Now, it's also important to note too that you're going to get your instruction booklet as well as your warranty booklet all in one, so don't throw this away. So here's everything you're going to get when you purchase the massager. If you click on the next video, I'll show you how it's going to help with any ailments you may have.